In this video, we will learn how we can add or connect our website with Cloudflare. It's very easy and simple, so let's get started. For this demo video, we will connect the following domain. So first visit cloudflare.com and sign up for your free account. We have already signed up and already logged in as well. Once you logged in, click on your account. Then it will take you to the following landing page asking to add your domain name. Simply open your website and copy the domain address and paste it here. Then click manually enter DNS records. Next, under AI, choose do not block and click continue. Next, it will offer you 4 plans. Choose free one. On the following page, you need to add DNS records. Click add record. Under type, choose type A. Under name, choose or add @. For IP address, we require our hosting IP address. In our case, it's Hostinger. It will be same for you. You simply need to find your hosting IP address. For Hostinger, click dashboard. Then click hosting. Under hosting, you will find your IP address. Simply copy it, go back and paste it on IP address. Then click save. Click continue to activation. Now it will automatically scan your name servers and ask you to replace your current name servers with the following one. So we need to update our domain name servers. In our case, our domain name provider Hostinger. It might be different for you, but the steps are same. For Hostinger, under domains, click on domain portfolio. Here you will find the list of your domains. Click on manage or the following 3 dots. Then click edit DNS zone. So basically you need to find your name servers and edit them. Here click change name servers. Then choose change name servers. Remove the current name servers. Go back. Copy these name servers by Cloudflare one by one and paste it here one by one. Finally, click save. Now our setup is complete. So click I updated my name servers. Now it might take 24 hours before the propagation and complete verification, so you need to be patient. So after a while, our domain was verified and protected by Cloudflare. Cloudflare offers good speed and good protection as well. Meanwhile, you wait for your verification. You can check the DNS propagation using the following tool. Simply search for DNS checker, open it, add your domain, then click search. Here, it will tell you the current propagation of your website. So it might help to find the verification. So this is how you can connect your domain with Cloudflare with simple step. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments.